And today, yeah, we're celebrating our 6 months. How do we all feel about that? How are we feeling?
Time flies.
Yeah,
like an arrow.
I open my eyes. We debut. I close my eyes. I open my eyes again. 6 months.
It's so true. It feels so slow and so fast at the same time. It's crazy.
By the way, they're saying that this is a little quiet.
If she's
I said so many funny jokes while I was quiet. Guys, laugh.
Not laughing at someone who scored so low as a baby.
Shut up! It was rigged.
Flashback.
I'm throwing a tomato.
Justice for Ceci baby, okay, guys? Justice for Ceci baby. It was rigged.
Just jealous because I got the third place.
No, I don't care about you getting third place, you second loser.
I'm so good.
Nah, don't care about that. No.
She's so jealous.
Rigged.
She just won my cup.
No, I don't even know you had a cup.
That's a good baby. That's a third place baby right there.
Thank you, Gigi. Thank you so much.
Rigged.
I think you did great, Cecilia.
I think you did wonderful, and I think you deserve first place. And no one stood a chance except for Zeta and Laura. Congratulations, and Gigi. I hope you stub your toe, and I hope you step on Legos. Rigged.
What? It was not rigged.
Thank you.
It was
proud
rigged.
of my trophy.
It was rigged.
Gaga was very low.
You know what? I'll let you touch it when you come visit me.
Oh, wonderful. I'm so excited.